write summation r is equal to 0 to m n plus r cr in the simplified form. Summation r is equal to 0 to m n plus r cr, which is equal to n plus 0 c naught plus n plus 1 c1 plus n plus 2 c2 plus and so on up to m. So n plus m cm, so which is equal to nc naught plus n plus 1 c1 plus n plus 2 c2 and so on up to n plus m cm. nc naught, which is also equals to n plus 1 c naught. Let me write here, nc naught is same as n plus 1 c naught. So instead of nc naught, I would like to write n plus 1 c naught plus again n plus 1 c1 plus n plus 2 c2 and so on n plus m cm. And since we know that ncr minus 1 plus ncr is equal to n plus 1 cr, so this is one property we have. So n plus 1 c naught plus n plus 1 c1, by using this property, n plus 1 c naught plus n plus 1 c1, which is equal to n plus 1 plus 1, that is n plus 2, r is equal to 1, so n plus 2 c1 plus again the next n plus 2 c2 plus n plus 3 c3 and so on n plus m cm. So which can be written again by using the property n plus 2 c1 plus n plus 2 c2, where r minus 1 is equal to 1 and r is equal to 2. So n is equal to n plus 1, so we can write this as n plus 2 plus 1, that is n plus 3 c r is equal to 2 plus n plus 3 c3 and so on up to n plus m cm. So if we keep continue doing this, so we will be getting the last two terms as n plus m c m minus 1 and plus n plus m c m. So again by using the property, so we can write here n plus m plus 1 c m. So n plus m plus 1 c m, which can also be written as n plus m plus 1 c n plus 1, since we know that ncr is equal to ncs, which implies either r is equal to s or we can write r plus s is equal to n. So here m plus n plus 1 is same as here n plus m plus 1, so we can write n plus m plus 1 cm can also be given as n plus m plus 1 c n plus 1. So we can give this as the answer. Okay, please like, share, subscribe and support us. Thank you.